Okay, what's going on, folks? NA Designs got another project completed for you. 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Show you what we got going on first. You already noticed. First thing, couple of factory gauges were removed and replaced with super tweeters. And air gauge was located over here. Okay. For the back, got lids, 6x9s, and more super tweeters. Sorry I couldn't show you, but there is a 4-channel sound digital. That's on the inside. Of course, you're not going to see it. But yeah, I'm going to come back shortly and we're going to give you a demo video. All right? Come get your issue.